Take control.
Okay, let's try to not fail this time. To check.
Just have to break the shield or something.
What you going to play, Ellie?
I don't know.
Sorry.
Depending
Ooh,
on.
Nice.
pretty.
Did I do it?
There he is.
Oh my god, this sexy voice. Whew.
Is that Corpse husband?
I did the internet.
Oh my god!
Get out of my way!
Let's begin.
They're gonna
It's
hold.
Right, Blizzard? Digital BlizzCon? Ooh.
Okay, danke.
Bist bereit? Kann ich starten? Sind wir bereit? Nice, let's go.
Hello.
So, who?
Not sure yet, not
Rip
Steffi.
Stony.
Okay, so who?
My BB.
Suck my PP too. Heck, I really appreciate it. Yeah. Sorry. Oh, that was the first one. Oh, one hookah?
Yeah, she's our garage.
Really?
No.
Yeah, that obvious. I mean,
Listen, whenever you finish, you have this little.
Roll.
Roll.
He's dangerous now.
Yeah.
That sounds
They're
like a
smoking,
pain.
they're smoking left this.
that account cannot be played.
I
I
think it's
checked the
too high for
MMR.
Steffi. Shit. Yeah, beep, wait.
Nice.
Beautiful. What a time.
So he did.
Sie, Hallig.
Thank you, Lucia.
Na, du darfst. Ja. Fuck. I didn't really pay attention. Found me.
They were looking for the right robot. Me, but the right robot contains a secret.
Oh, Rob, wanna do the
Sorry.
same again?
And G2 a little bit. G2 and
Yeah.
serious and like, what do we want? A hot dude? Let me find you a hot dude. Salim King, hello. Sasa, I'm just memeing. You know I love you. Man, why am I so bad in TFT, guys? Holy moly.